We deliver what keeps your day moving at the speed of life. Years of developing the highest safety standards brought us here. Countless flights across diverse environments, navigating crowded skies with precision. Purpose-built through real-world conditions, traffic patterns, weather systems, changing environments. Safety built into every flight. We ask one question repeatedly: how do we make this better? Every variable becomes an opportunity. Our advantage isn't just technology. It's operational discipline. Faster, safer, more reliable, proven at scale. What began as innovation is now an ultra-fast delivery service, woven into everyday routines. Customers aren't trying drone delivery, they're relying on it. Because life doesn't slow down, and neither do we. Millions of customers, millions of items, one standard, delivering when it matters most.